it's not surprising to me that people would gravitate towards external applications such as those that I've listed here to enhance their business processes. It can augment productivity, it can enable different things. However, there are a number of issues with what I've termed shadow IT that I think employers need to be aware of. Firstly, when you're downloading a public-facing application such as WhatsApp or Skype, you have to understand that their business model is based on data monetization, in that they are selling user data in some form or another, be it aggregated, anonymized. That is inherently antithetical to an organization who are concerned first and foremost with privacy. The second issue to be aware of is data sovereignty. Once you transmit business data through these third-party applications, you're effectively losing control of that data. That data is exiting your IT ecosystem and entering an ecosystem elsewhere. Perhaps it's located in a location where data privacy laws aren't necessarily as strong, or you don't necessarily have any administrative control over what is done with that data. If you're working in an industry, however, that is heavily reliant on regulatory frameworks, particularly when it comes to managing communication infrastructure, such as financial services, energy sector, or healthcare, this poses a real problem because many of these public-facing applications have a one-size-fits-all model for securing their communication. This is the reason why, very briefly, an overview of some of the issues that are posed here, and this is why I advocate for a secure communications platform. Three of the benefits that I see with secure communication platforms are, firstly, they're customizable. They can be integrated into your business workflow. They don't necessarily, whereas third-party applications may not be. These vendors that are building these platforms specialize in integrating into your specific IT ecosystem. Secondly, regulatory compliance, which is always an issue. Again, if you're working in a heavily regulated industry, these experts can adapt their solution to ensure compliance with the most stringent regulatory frameworks that there are. And finally, they're holistic. It's a closed ecosystem of data management where you're able to ensure that the data that is within your messaging systems doesn't leave your ecosystem. So with that, I'd just like to turn it over.
So this is the typical workflow in an enterprise where you've got a complexity of applications between the different steps of a customer, using Skype for business to do a conference call, then switching to Slack to work on a specific project, and then because I'm on mobility outside in the field, using WhatsApp, and at the end my IT is completely out of what's going on in the environment. So the idea is to provide a solution which is basically standing in three legs. The first one is what we call the secure communication, secure business connections, which is the backend system that helps you to set up that to the enterprise customers managing the fleet. Can be packaged with an MDM solution in order to have full control of what's going on devices, but as well have the identity control of it. So here there is a central identity management. We have also the solution for decentralized identity. The second leg, which is more important, is the IP communication, so one-to-one voice calls, SMS. This is quite unique. We do encrypted SMS when there is no 3G, 4G or Wi-Fi coverage. We are the only one doing that. IAM obviously, which is basically what everyone is using right now, and also video into one-to-one calls and group calls. And the third leg is going down into the rest of the organization to have desktop and laptop based applications where you can continuously collaborate internally with the employees, but as well invite your providers or consultants that are working with you. So there is an invitation functionality as well. Here an example, so white label. Here an example with Telefonica, but can be any operator. The goal is this one. It's not just the brand stamp, but it's really how you can create value for your enterprise users. The first easy one is packaging your subscriptions, enterprise subscriptions, and providing the application on top. Obviously, you provide a complete package, but more importantly is to link up the business connections with your cloud services, if you have some. And secondly, the secure collaboration piece that links up to certain on-prem deployment requirements that certain customers might have. So we're quite unique on that. There's many solutions on the cloud, but this is one of our differentiators is on-prem for very demanding customers. Obviously, this is bringing value to your network, where basically we've seen value decreasing on the initial slide.